and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Cadillac XT4 Sport featured in stellar black metallic with a Sedona/Jet Black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, a power sunroof, power liftgate, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, liftgate controls down below. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left, you'll find the power seating, lumbar, and massaging seats. Hopping inside, just to the left we have our power park brake and head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel on the left side here, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. On the right we have our cluster and audio controls. Here is the cluster, and just to the right we have our infotainment screen. Starting off with the audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have our map and navigation, and it's equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here's the backup camera and surround vision. So below that we have the climate controls with heated and vented front seats, as well as our lane keep assist, hazards, parking sensors. Down at the bottom, 2 USBs with a 12-volt. In the middle here we have our infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad, and popping that open, storage up top and more down below. Up top here we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here is the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps, door handles, keyless entry, cracks and tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have the black Cadillac badge with the black XT4 drive, and we can just double click to pop it open. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for added visibility. We can drop these rear seats, making a ton of extra storage space, not to mention the hidden storage down below. It is a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, nice wood accent trim, storage down below. There's a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle, our rear vents with rear heated seats and 2 USBs. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of the power sunroof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2021 Cadillac XT4 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.